Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instat Plus software. So let's get started. This is a software which I have installed in my desktop. So I'll open. Alright. So this is Instat Plus software for Windows. So this one is the worksheet, and this one is the commands as well as output windows. So to do with this software, first of all we have to enter the data. All right. So let's enter the data. X1. Okay. 2. And enter 29. 94. 94. Enter 1851. 1851. Enter 1470. 4070. Enter 1557. 1557. Hit enter. And 32. 1932. Enter 1184. 1184. Enter 2452. 2452. Enter 1347. 1347. Enter 1792. 1792. Enter 1488. 1488. This is all about X1, and let's enter X2. So X2 120. 120. Hit enter. 162. 162. Enter 150. Enter 142. 142. Enter 152. Enter 155. 126. 155. Enter 126. Enter 183. 180. enter, enter key to enter. Okay, 167, 167, enter, 149, enter. Okay, yeah, this is it. So in this way, you can enter the data manually, even if it is wasting. You can enter the data, any data in this manner. So this one is x1 and this one is x2. So let's assume this one is the annual rainfall. This one annual rainfall. Annual rainfall and okay, and what character in column name, right? Okay. Rain or rain and this one is dash, number of dash, and dash. Okay, just let's say dash. Okay, so x1 or this one is the annual rainfall or annual precipitation, and this one is the number of days in which the rain occurs. Okay, this one is the total annual rainfall, and this one is the corresponding number of days in which the rain occurs in that year. All right, and this way we can enter or we can put the data in the worksheet, and then after we enter the data, we have to save this data, okay, to work with it. In another time, we have to save it. All right. Therefore, to save this data, we have to come here to the file menu, then save. Okay. So the default directory is the document dish. So the file extension is in the WOR. So you can have to rename its name, or can rename it so I have to rename this file. So let's say annual rainfall. Okay, yeah, you can save this data in the place we want, right? So let's save it in desktop. Okay, then click on save. Okay, it was already saved. Let's see. Okay, have you seen here this annual rainfall? Therefore, let's close this and reopen. Okay, yes, no, okay, until now. Then let's open the software again, this one. Alright, now we can open the already saved data. Okay, to do that, we have to come to the file menu, click on that, then open worksheet. Okay, open worksheet. Then we have saved the document in the desktop, therefore click on that. So scroll down, and this one is the data, correct? Therefore click on that, then open. Okay, just opened here. In this way, first we have to enter the data, then we have to save, and another time we can work with that data. Okay. In the next time, we will learn more about this Instat Plus software. For today, it is enough. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe as well as share for friends. Thank you very much.